Never had to take off like that before, huh?
Never. That was too exciting.
How's that for you? Never flown an airplane upside down before, have you? That's how you check out the ground, though. Best view. All right. Chris, are you ready to get started with the aerobatics?
Okay.
All right. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is a nice easy aileron roll, okay?
Okay.
All right, so all it is a nice easy pull back, get the nose above the horizon, and a nice smooth roll all the way around until we get back to where we started, and there's the end of the roll, okay?
Okay.
All right, you want to try? Hold on, you got to pull up first, okay?
Okay, okay.
All right, now go ahead and start with an easy pull up. Now center the stick. Now roll all the way around. All the way around. Keep coming. Very good. All right, now pull back up. You got to pull up. There you go. Do one more roll to the left. All the way around. Yeah. All right, good job. I got the controls now. All right, we're going to do the big on the stick, okay?
Just pull back.
Yeah, not too hard though, okay?
Yeah.
All right, you got the controls.
Okay.
I want you to start with a pullback. A little bit harder. Right there, hold it. All right, you're starting to roll right, so roll left a little. There you go, hold it. Hold it right there. There you go, keep it coming around. Ease up, pulling a little bit too hard. Looking good. All right. Yeah. All right, I got the controls now. All right. Are you ready for the tumble?
Okay.
All right, I'll show you how that one goes here. Just let me turn around. All right, you ready?
Okay.
All right, here we go. There's the tumble.
Oh my God.
All right, what'd you think about that one?
Too extreme.
Too extreme, what? Holy shit. We're nice and low, huh?